Greetings, incredible LTDE 5319 students. Welcome to Module Week 5 of Technology Tools for Learning. In this module, you will further apply your knowledge of the 4 C's of learning in the digital age, as well as best practices in online instructional design as you create opportunities for peer engagement and collaboration within online contexts. You will develop an outline of engagement and collaboration strategies to be included throughout the course you are creating. Upon completion of this module, you should be able to apply best practices in designing and delivering instructional content in online environments, to explore innovative strategies for enhancing learner engagement through incorporating a variety of digital tools and resources within learning management systems, to develop strategies for enhancing creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking through innovative instructional strategies within learning management systems, and finally, to create a digital learning environment designed to serve as an effective platform for meaningful and memorable learning experiences. As always, prior to beginning the assignments this week, please carefully review the websites and videos available to you in the Learning Resources folder. Let's now look at Discussion Board Forum 4, which is entitled Designing Meaningful, Authentic Assessment Opportunities Within Online Courses. Through this discussion board forum, you will have the opportunity to share your completed authentic assessment planning template with your classmates. There is no additional text that is required for your initial thread. For your replies, you will have the opportunity to record your voice using Vocaroo, and you will also submit a Word transcript of your Vocaroo recording. However, before submitting your replies, please review as many of your classmates' submissions as possible and decide upon 2 classmates' posts to which you will respond. For these 2 responses, again, you'll use Vocaroo to record an audio recording that conveys your responses to the following questions. First, place yourself in the shoes of a student in your colleague's course. As you complete the assessments they have outlined, which authentic assessment pieces would be most meaningful and memorable for you? Why do you believe this to be the case? Second, from the perspective of a student in the course, which authentic assessment piece might be modified to be even more meaningful and memorable? Please provide concrete suggestions for improvement. Of course, as an instructional designer, you must also be aware of ADA compliance laws. To make sure you're in compliance with your audio presentation, please include a Word document transcript you create based on each of your Vocaroo voice recordings. For your replies to classmates, you will simply need to post a link to your audio recordings and Word document transcripts. Additional text is not required. Your initial thread is due by 11:59 p.m. on Monday of Module Week 5, and your 2 replies are due by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday of Module Week 5. This week's assignment is entitled Peer Engagement and Collaboration Planning. Once again, in this assignment, you see that there is an example, as well as a checklist, as well as resources, and 2 templates. Please carefully review each of these resources prior to beginning this week's assignment. You will utilize what you have already designed for this course in order to create this next step. Please carefully and thoughtfully refer back to your course outcomes and topical outline, as well as your collection of reading and study resources and your audio-visual content. Additionally, you have just created your authentic assessment experiences to support your student learning outcomes. This assignment will build upon past assignments, and you will have the opportunity to create peer engagement endeavors and collaborative learning opportunities to address chosen course outcomes. As always, the proposed audience for this course and the course subject matter should directly apply to your current or intended professional settings. You want to ensure that what you are designing in this course can be utilized in your future instructional design experiences. Please very carefully review the rubric for this particular assignment even before beginning the assignment. Next week, In Module Week 6, we will focus upon engaging in peer assessment as a means of enhancing instructional design. I hope you all enjoy a fantastic 5th week of learning in the course. God bless you.